Welcome to Future Fuel. Today we're diving deep into the next generation 2025 BMW 7 Series, a car that redefines the standard for luxury sedans. The 7 Series has always been a symbol of sophistication, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled performance, and the 2025 model is no exception. Let's explore everything it brings to the table. Exterior design. The 2025 BMW 7 Series takes a bold step forward with its refined and modernized design. The iconic kidney grille has been updated to be sleeker and more aerodynamic, seamlessly integrating with the sharp lines and sculpted curves of the body. The front end features adaptive laser headlights that not only enhance visibility but also add a futuristic touch to the car's appearance. BMW has also emphasized aerodynamics more than ever. The 7 Series incorporates active grille shutters, air curtains, and a redesigned underbody to ensure a smoother ride and improved efficiency. From every angle, it exudes an unmistakable presence, commanding yet elegant. Interior, luxury. Step inside and you're welcomed into a sanctuary of luxury. The 20257 Series offers an interior that combines traditional craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology. High-quality materials like Napa leather, sustainably sourced wood, and aluminium accents create an abstract home that must, the yeoman of London, feel creative and informed. I like the features. The pitch is 9/10 of the Mother 5, or the CCTV, the new BMW interaction screen. The waterproof glass that comes with the M16 mirror reduces impressionist to concentration so much that all alcoholic is unfortunately left with a strong impression of forgetfulness. Rear passengers are treated to a luxurious experience with reclining seats, built-in massages, and an optional 31-inch ultra-wide 8K entertainment screen. The cabin is also a showcase of advanced tech. The curved digital dashboard merges a 14.9-inch infotainment display with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Powered by BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 system, it offers seamless connectivity, voice-activated controls, and augmented reality navigation. Performance options. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW 7 Series offers a range of powertrains tailored to meet diverse needs. You can choose from traditional internal combustion engines, a plug-in hybrid variant, or go fully electric with the EVEN model. The base engine is a 3.0-litre inline-six with mild hybrid technology, delivering smooth power and impressive efficiency. For those who crave more performance, the twin-turbocharged V8 provides exhilarating acceleration, and for the environmentally conscious, the EVEN boasts over 400 miles of range on a single charge, thanks to its state-of-the-art battery technology. BMW's focus on performance doesn't end with power. The 20257 Series is equipped with adaptive air suspension and rear-wheel steering, ensuring a ride that's as comfortable as it is agile. Whether cruising on the highway or navigating tight city streets, this car offers a dynamic and confident driving experience. Cutting-edge technology. The 20257 Series isn't just about luxury and performance, it's also packed with groundbreaking technology. BMW's Driving Assistance Professional Suite includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and a hands-free driving mode for highway travel. A standout innovation is the new Remote Parking Assistant, which allows you to park the car via your smartphone. Whether it's a tight spot or a tricky garage, the 7 Series has you covered. Additionally, The augmented reality heads-up display projects vital information directly onto the windshield, keeping your eyes on the road. Sustainability. Sustainability is at the core of the 20257 series. BMW has made significant strides in reducing the environmental impact of its manufacturing processes. The use of recycled materials and sustainable energy sources ensures that luxury doesn't come at the expense of the planet. Pricing and ability. The 2025 BMW 7 Series starts at a competitive price for the segment, with the base model offering exceptional value. Of course, as you move up the trim levels and add options, like the executive package or the top-tier even electric model, the price climbs accordingly. Deliveries are expected to begin early next year, and dealerships are already taking orders. With its blend of elegance, innovation, and performance, the 7 Series is sure to be a game-changer in the luxury sedan market. Final thoughts. The 2025 BMW 7 Series represents the pinnacle of what BMW has to offer. It combines timeless luxury with cutting-edge technology and sustainable practices, making it a standout choice in the luxury sedan segment. If you're as excited about the 2025 BMW 7 Series as we are, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content here on Future Fuel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.